Everyone loves an onion bhaji, but have you ever wished you could avoid all the oil? Today we invented a healthy onion bhaji without compromising on taste. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Lazy Garlic. In this video we are going to show you how we made these tasty and healthy waffled onion bhajis without any frying at all. These are the ingredients that we need to make the waffled onion bhajis. So we're going to need gram flour, coriander, green chili, spring onion and red onion, red chili powder and red chili flakes, cumin powder and cumin seeds, coriander flakes, garlic powder, salt, spray oil and water as required. Now the water is going in. I'm going to make sure we mix this really well, really thoroughly, ensuring there's no lumps in it. Now the batter is almost ready, so we're going to let the batter sit for about 30 minutes or so, and we make sure that we make quite firm batter. I'll put that to the side for a little while. Now we're going to add the salt, give it a good mix, and next we're going to put some roasted cumin seeds in. That's them going in now. It's a lovely smell. All fragrant and nice. Now mix that well, make sure that there's no lumps in it, and put it to the side for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll get the waffle maker ready. We need to make sure that the waffle maker is really nice and hot before we put the batter in. And now we're going to spray it with some oil to make sure they don't stick. So it's just a little bit of oil with the spray, and now the batter is going in. We don't need to overfill it too much. And that's it, just a few tablespoons, a little bit of spray oil, and now we just close the waffle maker up for about 7 to 10 minutes. And now we're just going to check them to see, and if we want to have them a bit more roasty, we'll have a little bit more spray oil, pop them back in for another couple of minutes to get that extra crispiness. And now we're done, ready to plate up. Really nice, hot and crispy. And there we have it, the waffled onion bhajis. Crispy, no frying at all, completely with the perfect taste. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is Lazy Garlic.